guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Subscribe to Save order for the month of March 2022. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products. They have household cleaning products, they have personal care products, they have supplements and nutritional items. So basically everything that they have is essential oil infused. And so as a member of their Subscribe to Save program, I'm committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And what I love about the Subscribe to Save program, you can go in and change the items that you want to have sent to you each month. It's very flexible. You can change the dates and everything like that. So usually my monthly orders contain essential oils, household cleaning, and personal care products. So we're going to get into my box to see what I got for this month. On top I have my packing slip, my packing paper, and the first thing I see is a product for my husband. So my husband gets the Young Living deodorants every month because he has very sensitive skin under his underarms. And so I have the CitrusFresh Deodorant. And so this is infused with clove and cinnamon essential oils. It's aluminum free, paraben free. It says CitrusFresh Deodorant combines the spicy aromas of clove and cinnamon essential oils formulated with baking soda and skin conditioning plant extracts. It neutralizes odors to keep you feeling fresh all day. And so it's a deodorant. It is not an antiperspirant, so it's not going to prevent you from sweating, but it is a deodorant, so it should help you to smell nice. And so we usually get one of those each month. He likes the Mountain Mint one, and it's been out of stock, so we've been using the CitrusFresh one right now. Next is a container of the MultiGreens supplement. This is an herbal supplement that I like to take each day, and it says, MultiGreens is energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa essential oil. And the directions say to take 3 capsules 2 times daily, but I have a sensitive stomach, so I usually take 1 capsule in the morning when I take some of my other vitamins and things like that. So let's read in the book what it says about MultiGreens real quick. So in the book it says, MultiGreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption. And so I just like the way that it gives me an extra boost of energy in the morning. So that's a really nice item to have. And so because it has 120 capsules and I'm only taking 1 a day, I don't have to order it every month. I usually order it every couple of months. I have a big tube here, and big tubes usually have supplements in them as well. All right, so inside that big tube is the Inner Defense supplement. And so Inner Defense is an essential oil supplement. It says immune system support formulated with thieves. So basically the Thieves Essential Oil Blend is a popular essential oil among the Young Living community because it helps to support your immune system and your respiratory system. And so this is another supplement that I like to take. I'm a teacher, so I need that additional immune support, especially through the school months from August to May. And sometimes I'll take a break during the summer months because I'm not as exposed to as much as I am during the school year. But the Inner Defense supplement contains the Inner Defense Super Blend, which contains oregano, thyme, lemongrass, and then it contains the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which has clove, cinnamon bark, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary essential oils. And so I like this supplement. I only take 1 of these a day. I take this one at night because I have a sensitive stomach, and so this one tends to, if I'm not careful, upset my tummy, so I like to take it at night before bedtime after I've had a meal and things like that. So, but it does help support my immune and respiratory system. And then the last thing I have is a small tube, and the small tubes have essential oils in them. And let's see what I have. All right, so the first thing I see is my husband's Shutran Beard Oil that he loves. This is another item that I get for him monthly. So there's really just a couple items that he has to have. And one is the Shutran Beard Oil, and the other is the deodorant. He switches, like I said, between the Mountain Mint and the CitrusFresh, but the Shutran Beard Oil is part of the men's line, and he has a longer beard, so he likes to use this to take care of his beard. So let's read about the Shutran Beard Oil real quick. All right, so the Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil Blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. Now, I love the way it smells, and I do not have the Shutran Essential Oil Blend, but I would love to get it because it has in it Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, Coriander, Davana, Lavender, Cedarwood, Lemon, and Northern Lights Black Spruce. And it smells amazing from what I can tell from the beard oil, so I would really like to get that essential oil blend. And then lastly, I only have one essential oil that I got this month, but it is one of my favorite essential oil singles, and that is the Lime Essential Oil. And so this is just a really good one now that the temperatures are starting to warm up. I love to diffuse lime in my diffuser for spring and summer because there are a lot of great diffuser blends that use lime in them. One of my favorite ways to use the lime essential oil is to diffuse heavy parts of lime and then like 3 or 4 drops of the Stress Away essential oil blend and combine together. It smells like a margarita and it just really gives off a nice, relaxing, calming scent. And that's probably one of my husband's favorite diffuser blends. But the lime essential oil is in a lot of the spring and summer citrus diffuser blends and it just smells really, really nice. So that is my subscribe to save order for the month of March. I've been doing Young Living for several years, I think over 7 years, and so I don't have to get these great big orders every month. I just go in and order the things that I'm running low on or that I need to replace. And so for this month, like I said, I had a couple supplements. I had the Inner Defense, the MultiGreens. I had a couple items for my husband, which was the CitrusFresh Deodorant and the Shutran Beard Oil. And then I just needed to get another lime essential oil for all those diffuser blends that I'm starting to do with the warmer temperatures. So if you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. I will leave my membership number in the description box below, along with the Young Living website. So if you want to go in and order some items, you would just put in my membership number to get some items. I love being on the subscribe to save program. The benefit of doing that is that you get a discount on Young Living products, but you also get to bank 25% of whatever you spend towards free products for Young Living. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.